Kia ora te whānau. This is an update on our Mana Tāmaki strategy, in particular in relation to our court case that starts on Tuesday the 9th of February 2021. You would have seen the webinars that we've been holding and whānau, it's been absolutely fantastic to see the number of whānau tuning into those webinars and learning a little bit more about our history and the journey that we've been on for the last few years. We have our whānau wānanga coming up on Thursday the 4th of February here at our marae. So if you're about and you'd like to learn more about what is happening in particular to the court case, no mai, haere mai, come down to the marae and be part of this haringa with us. I just want to touch on a few points in respect to our hikoi that we will be doing on the 9th of February. Whānau, this is not a protest. It is a march that we are doing around our mana, around our ahikāroa. We encourage whānau, all of you, please, to come and support us on the hikoi. If you bring your tamariki, kei te pai, kei te pai. It is an historic time for us. Whānau, you would need to really ensure that their safety is paramount and that you take care of them. The other thing is that this is our kaupapa. This is a Ngāti Whātua Ōrāke kaupapa. So we are not inviting any other people to come on board with their agendas or their kaupapa. So if you hear whānau saying that they'd like to come and join us and bring another take down, kaore, that can't happen. This is our kaupapa and we want to keep it strong and we want to keep it united. If you have any questions relating to our hikoi and with our court case, please contact our trust office and the trust staff will assist you as much as they can. We look forward to seeing you on the 9th of February, whānau. Remember, e kore, e riro. Kia ora.